Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.
A real guru always wants his disciple to become competent enough to be able to solve the problem himself or herself.
Muni Seva Ashram is one of the best organization you can think of charitable. It's total dedication, dedication, and dedication. That's all it is there, really.
When the human race will realize what world we are passing on to our children, it may be too late. In the pursuit of reaching higher, the wail of an orphan sometimes goes unnoticed. We have often ignored the longing in the eyes of elders and turned away the pleading hands of a poor sufferer. Our ignorance has wiped off the smile of a child. Consciously, we have blurred our senses to the obvious. But look closely. Amidst this chaos, right in the middle of this world, there is another world. A world where nature thrives in full abundance, and the smile of an orphan still dazzles us, where the pleading hands are held with compassion, and the final threshold of life is attained with dignity. This is the world of Muni Seva Ashram, created by the superhuman efforts of one lady, late Anuben Thakkar.
It's a story of Dr. Vikram Patel, a young doctor who comes to Anuben Huts just as she is starting the Muni Seva Ashram. As a medical school student, he agrees to come every Sunday to do health checks of the kids that come to Anuben Hut. Vikram is the third oldest among 4 siblings and by far the smartest one. In every exam, he is guaranteed first. No matter what the challenge, he is ready to take it on. If he is in front of a car, he would be the best mechanic. If he is in front of a patient, he would be a great doctor. He would go to everything. Vikram's father recalls, Vikram's younger sister remembers, his thoughts were always different since his childhood. He would trade in my comic books in the library for books by Vivekanand. As an elementary school student who would want to read all these books. With his stethoscope around his neck, Vikram would sit on a small stool under a tree every Sunday, medical checkup and medicine prescription for one villager after other. One day during a routine visit to see Muni Maharaj, Jana Name Ashram Chale છે, who had inspired Anuben જેમને આશ્રમ શરૂઆત કરી, to start this project, Muni Maharaj tells Vikram's mom, એટલે વિક્રમભાઈના મોમને મુનિ મહારાજે શું કહ્યું કે don't let your son leave this Goraj ashram. This is where he belongs to.
मुनि सेवा आश्रम के साथ सक्रिय रूप से जुड़े हुए डॉक्टर विक्रम पटेल हमारे साथ हैं।
मेडिकल कॉलेज से निकलकर मैं उधर चला गया था। वहाँ पर जो सहजता से जो कार्य कर रही थी अनुबेन, जो फाउंडर थी उनकी, और वो लोगों की सेवा नहीं, लोगों के प्रेम के प्रति वचनबद्ध होकर काम कर रही थी। वो किसी के ऊपर उपकार की भावना, वो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव और मैग्नेटिक था।
और जैसे आपने मेडिकल किया तो बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके पास रहते हैं। आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन जिस फील्ड में रहा है उसके बारे में कुछ बताते हुए कहें कि एक होता है आप मेडिकल करके सोचते हैं कोई बड़े शहर में जाके या विदेश में जाके अधिक धन अर्जन करेंगे, फिर आप उसी स्थान पर जो कि अपेक्षाकृत छोटा कस्बा मान लें या बने रहें, तो ये निर्णय लेना आसान था या मुश्किल?
नहीं, बिल्कुल आसान था, क्योंकि आखिर करता हूँ हम जो भी कुछ करना चाहते हैं ज़िंदगी में वो अपने आनंद के लिए करना चाहते थे। पैसे भी लोग इसलिए चाहते हैं कि वो उससे कुछ आनंद ले सके। बिना पैसे वो सीधा ही मिल रहा था, वो पैसे की इंटरमीडियरी कोई ज़रूर नहीं थी उधर। तो कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कुछ कोई और हिचकिचाहट नहीं हुआ है कभी भी।
डॉक्टर साहब, आप अपनी तरफ से आनंद की परिभाषा हमारे साथ बांटें।
मतलब कि जो कर रहे हैं वो मन को अच्छा लगे। जो कुदरती विचार आते हैं वो कभी बुरे नहीं आते, उनको हम रोक देते हैं कभी कभी। और अपने आनंद के लिए जो भी करते हैं तो दूसरों को भी उससे या तो सहायता मिलती है या आनंद ही मिलेगा। कभी उनसे किसी की बुराई नहीं हो सकती है। ये मेरे मन में आनंद की एक परिभाषा।
मैं चंदूभाई पटेल बहुत साल से अमेरिका में हूँ, अमेरिकन सिटीजन हो गया हूँ। इधर सीनियर सिटीजन सेंटर में काफ़ी एक्टिव रहा हूँ, मगर मुझे लगा कि जीवन का थोड़ा कुछ साल, थोड़ा कुछ समय अपने खुद के आनंद के लिए अगर बिताना चाहते हो तो अपना खुद को आनंद आए ऐसा कुछ क्षेत्र में काम कीजिए। मुनि सेवा आश्रम ऐसी जगह मिली मुझे जहाँ मेरा मन का मुझे आनंद मिले, ऐसा एक्टिविटी मुझे मिला उधर। और मैं हर एक को प्रार्थना करता हूँ जीवन में हमेशा खुद का आनंद के लिए थोड़े साल ज़रूर पसंद करना और खुद का जो आनंद आए ऐसा क्षेत्र पसंद करके वहाँ जीवन बिताना। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
One, they have a linear accelerator machine for radiation, which is one of the best machine. There's something else has come out now, but so far there was even Baroda Medical Center ની પાસે પણ એ નથી. એના કરતે સારી radiation therapy, cancer treatment is done at this place. So વડોદરાથી લોકો ત્યાં જાય ટ્રીટમેન્ટ માટે, બરોડા હોસ્પિટલને બદલે. So that's a big achievement really, and we got to really appreciate that.
In India, every year 2 million patients are diagnosed with the dreaded disease of cancer. Every year, 600,000 die. The Kailash Cancer Hospital is one of the most advanced hospitals in Asia, located in a remote tribal belt. It is a 152-bed hospital, equipped with the latest medical facility to treat cancer. Patients from as far-off states as Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Maharashtra come here. Patients from USA and UK are also treated here. No one is ever turned away for lack of financial resources. The hospital undertakes clinical research projects and conducts phase 2 and 3 trials of new medicines also. A fulfilled digital mammography is functional, and nuclear medicine with gamma camera and PET scanner is under installation. There are lodging facilities for relatives who accompany the patients. The ashram has a nursing school, primarily to cater to the huge demand of in-house paramedical staff. It is an advanced facility, comparable to the best in the country.
To reduce ashram's reliance on donations, to carry on the social activities, a non-for-profit company under company section 25, આપણે ઇન્ડિયાની કંપની એક છે એના સેક્શન 25 નીચે ફોર્મ કરી, in the name of MSA Renew Tech Foundation, and Mr. Gadhia is director in the same company and offers green solutions and undertakes projects, and the profit of the company is spent to support social activities of Muni Seva Ashram. He has received several awards. Blue Sky Award in China, that was for his company, and he himself he received award for as a Solar Entrepreneur Award on solar thermal field by Solar Energy Society of India. He is also on the board of Solar Cooker International, a non-governmental organization in USA, and serves on the board of several such government and non-government bodies and committees as advisor and mentor to share his experience and expertise. Eva by Deepakbhai Gadia.
The idea is not only save money for us, but develop technologies which will help country as a large. And we see ashram as one village with 1,200 people spread over 1,000 acres of land, having old age home, schools, hospitals, vocational training centers. So we said, if we can convert this village ashram into a renewable energy project, in India we have got 550,000 villages. Each village can, what Gandhi's dream was decentralized power, decentralized India, where each and every community produces its own food, own energy, own clothes, creates own employment at local level. So ashram is not just about social care, it's a vision with which we would like to demonstrate to the world that yes, it's possible. And we are a great team. Means Dr. Vikram Patel, though a medical doctor, is a great technocrat. I am there. We have Mr. Uday Dalal, who is a trustee, who is an engineer. We have Mr. Hemant Patel, who has come back, who has worked for 35 years in DuPont. We have Mr. Chand, who was working with Terry. So I think now we are entering a next phase where we will now not only do things for us, but we will, whatever we learn, we will share. We are already doing vocational training centers where these technologies will be taken to the next level of going to villages in other part of India and the world.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.
A real guru always wants his disciple to become competent enough to be able to solve the problem himself or herself.
વાનપ્રસની અંદર તો સામાન્ય રીતે જરૂરિયાતવાળા આવે, પણ ચંદુભાઈ મળ્યા કે ના તમે આવો, હું જાઉં છું તમારી પહેલાં 1 મહિનો, અને એટલીસ્ટ બધા વાત તો કરીએ આપણે કે એમાંથી જે કંઈ થવું હોય એ થાય. સંસ્થાને મદદ થશે અને ઘણા જરૂરિયાતવાળા સંસ્થાની ખબર પડશે, બે પક્ષ છે. એ રીતે અહીંયા આગળ આવવાનું થયું છે. આ તમારા તરફથી જે તક મળી, તમે બધાએ જે અહીંયા આગળ મદદ કરવાની ભાવના દર્શાવીને બોલાવ્યો, હું અંતઃકરણપૂર્વક આભાર માનું છું.
The ashram has a gaushala with 550 cows. The cattle is reared and bred in a scientific manner. Our endeavor has always been to reduce the suffering of an unfortunate soul, make the unwanted feel loved. But we still have a much more difficult duty to perform, to preserve nature in its pristine form for our future generations. Muni Seva Ashram, for its size, has one of the smallest carbon footprint. Where trees are being butchered mercilessly all over, we have been planting them for years. The ashram now has over 300,000 trees. There are solar hot water systems and solar lights installed all over. Scheffler's solar cooking systems are successfully used since years. A 5 megawatt solar powered plant is being planned in the near future. The ashram has a biogas cleaning and methane bottling plant. Soon, our buses will run on methane gas. Even after life, our efforts are to make sure that the human form is useful to the environment. The ashram has developed a solar crematorium for this very purpose. The ashram saves approximately a staggering 1,800 tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually by the use of renewable energies.
I'm also very happy to bring my friends today from Solar Punch. They have been to our Muni Seva Ashram. They have performed programs at our Muni Seva Ashram and all over Gujarat. And it's our also honor that they have taken a day off, come with the whole team, and they're going to perform some songs. The whole song will be on solar and all. So thank you very much, James and Ellen and our team.
We are the light of the moon and the sun. जय जय माँ जय जय माँ हे माँ दुर्गा जय जय माँ जय जय माँ हे माँ दुर्गा जय जय माँ जय जय माँ हे माँ दुर्गा जय जय माँ 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 जय जय
Myself, when I'm not playing music, I'm actually a physicist. I work at Columbia University in a radiation biology department. I'm a particle accelerator physicist, and I was just overwhelmed when we were given a tour of the cancer hospital, and I was told, there's a particle accelerator here. Well, I got really excited, and I could have spent many days to interact with the physicists there, but I was happy to at least be there for one day, and the few days that we had. While we were there, we performed and interacted with many, many people, the school children, the nurses, the high school children, and the orphanage, yes. And we performed the song that we're going to do now is a song that I actually wrote for my Hindi class, which I've been taking lessons at the India Center in Westchester County. And so for a little homework assignment, I wrote a song. Namaste mere dosto, tum kaise ho. Namaste mere dosto, tum kaise ho. Namaste mere dosto, tum kya kar rahe ho. Bhumi din hai Bharat ka hir din. Suno mere dosto, chalo sab mile. सुना मेरे दोस्तों चलो सब मिलकर करे कम छुट्टी नहीं है आज भूमि दिन है भारत का हर दिन भूमि दिन है भारत का हर दिन भूमि दिन है भारत का हर दिन I can't hear you भूमि दिन है भारत का हर दिन Yeah, here we go Bhumi din hai Bharat ka hir din. One more time, big one. Bhumi din hai Bharat ka hir din. Mehbooba hai mehbooba, mehbooba hai mehbooba. गुलशन में गुल खिलते हैं जब सहरा में मिलते हैं गुलशन में गुल खिलते हैं जब सहरा में मिलते हैं मेरा
It is now time for us to take a moment and reflect with you the journey so far. It is because of your support that somewhere an orphan's wail has been heard. The pleading hands of a sufferer have been held. A child's future has been secured. And now we have a clear conscience. We invite each one of you to visit the ashram. Be a part of this pilgrimage at least once in your lifetime. We assure you, it will be cherished for generations to follow.
अनुबेन से और मुनि महाराज से जो बात सीखी कि भाई अपने आनंद के लिए काम करो, सेवा के लिए मत करो, क्योंकि उसका भार लगेगा। तो आनंद के लिए करते हैं तो ज़िंदगी ऐसे बसर जाती है और मज़ा भी आता है काम करने का। उससे किसी को लाभ हो रहा है वो आनुवंशिक है, आनुषंगिक है। हम उसके लिए काम नहीं करते, हम तो हमारे आनंद के लिए काम करते हैं।
अब ये विस्तार थोड़ा बात का जाता है, हम जो बातचीत कर रहे हैं थोड़ा सा बाहर जाता है, पर कई लोगों को आनंद ऐसी बातों में आता है, इस प्रकार की क्रियाओं में आता है जो न उनके लाभ की है न दूसरों के लाभ की है। तो आनंद इस प्रकार से आए जो दूसरों के कल्याण का हेतु भी बने, इसके लिए मन को किसी प्रकार से परिष्कृत करने के बारे में कुछ संकेत आप देना चाहेंगे?
मैंने नहीं किया इसलिए मैं तो नहीं बता सकता। वो कुदरत से पहले कुदरत के साथ जिया हूँ, तो क्या है, कुदरत से आप सेंसेशन लेते रहे तो मेरा मानना है कि किसी को नुकसान करने वाली बात कभी नहीं आएगी। आप जब उनको मार मचड़ के उसके ऊपर हावी हो जाते तभी कुछ गलत बात हो सकती है।
बहुत सारी बातें ऐसे व्यक्तित्व जैसे डॉक्टर विक्रम पटेल हैं उनके पास बैठकर सीखने वाली होती हैं, पर बहुत बातें चिंतन के द्वारा सीखने को मिलती हैं। तो चिंतन के साथ साथ सूचनात्मक ढंग से यदि हम फिर से बढ़ें मुनि सेवाश्रम की तरफ और कोई किसी रूप में आश्रम के साथ जुड़ना चाहें, तो क्या मोटा मोटी सूचनाएं, आप कोई वेबसाइट या इस प्रकार की बातें?
हाँ, आश्रम के वेबसाइट भी है www.greenashram.org। वहाँ पर उसके जो भी प्रकल्प चलते हैं, कोई आना चाहते हैं, कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हैं, वो सब सुविधा उसके ऊपर है। तो कभी भी लॉग इन करके वो देख सकते हैं। और हमारे जो मित्र आना चाहे, कुछ दिन रहना चाहे, तो उसके लिए भी सुविधा है, वो कभी भी आ सकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ उनका स्वागत है।
चलते चलते तो अहमदाबाद के आसपास है महेश?
ये वडोदरा के पास है, वडोदरा से करीबन 32 किलोमीटर दूर, 20 माइल्स। और रोड भी अच्छा है अभी तो करीबन 40 मिनट होती है बड़ौदा से आने में। बड़ौदा ये बड़ा शहर है गुजरात का और काफ़ी फेमस है।
तो चलते चलते 1000 एकड़ की ज़मीन पर कई सारे प्रकल्प जिनमें बच्चों के लिए, बुजुर्गों के लिए, एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड, कैंसर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल और भी अन्य जो
रोगों के लिए
सारे कार्य चल रहे हैं। और वो मुख्य बात यह है कि किसी प्रकार की पाबंदी नहीं है कि अमुक राशि देकर ही आप वहाँ की सेवा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि पैसा सब चीज़ों के लिए है, लेकिन सब चीज़ मुफ्त में है, यानी जिसकी जितनी श्रद्धा या जितना कर सकें अपनी तरफ से आसानी से, ऐसा भाव रहता है। तो सेवा को अपनाते हुए जीवन का जो एक सामुदायिक स्वरूप है उसका बहुत ही आदर्शनीय उदाहरण प्रेरणादायी मुनि सेवाश्रम में, और वहाँ के डॉक्टर विक्रम पटेल हमारे साथ। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.
A real guru always wants his disciple to become competent enough to be able to solve the problem himself or herself.